What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Balforg the Gaming Bullfrog. I don't know why I stumble on that every single time. It's just one of those tongue twisters. I'm here in World of Warships. That's right. I finally got around to downloading this and giving it my first shot. Here I am in the Tier 1 American cruiser, the Erie. It's got 420 millimeter guns, I think 122 maybe. But they're pretty rapid firing. They do decent damage. Definitely good enough for what I need them. It looks like we're against a team of mostly cruisers, couple destroyers, and just glimpsed a destroyer off over in that direction, which I can get guns on if I swing about. Let's see if those will get him. I'm just going to fire high explosive at him right now because why not? Some good damage on his superstructure. Oh yeah, knocked out a torpedo tube. That is ideal. And there we go. That is one destroyer taken care of. Gonna slow down here. Do some test shots. Oh, it looks like that Erie is aiming right for me. Oh, that could have been bad. And another destroyer. Oftentimes I find that when I'm under fire like this, I tend to get a little bit bad with the multitasking, such as steering, shooting, driving, firing all at once. No hits. I think most of them went into the island. So I'm gonna try sneaking around this other side. See if that's any better, because they have started coming in here in force. Our Chester has a lot of health compared to these Eries around here, but the Erie can put out quite a bit of damage. Well, I wouldn't really know. I have nothing to compare it to. This is literally the only ship that I've played thus far. We're in my second game against players. So, forgive me if I'm a bit noobish. And that guy is going awfully slow. On finishing blow, nothing. Set him on fire nonetheless. And we did not get the kill. It looked like those shots were right on, but nothing doing. Alright, we got a couple batch of Eries and Chester over on our port side. And I'm gonna go after this Chester 6 clicks ahead of me. Go out to half speed. Slow it down a little bit further. Come on, Chester. Just poke out. That's all we want. That's all I want of you, boy. Come on, boy. Believe in you. Come on. There's a good puppy. There we go. Set me on fire, use my repair ability. He did some hefty damage. Alright, another Erie over this way. So we're gonna about face. Oh, hello. Got an Erie out here left. We probably should turn away from this. Helps to slow down a little bit, just to maximize your turning radius. Some guy actually tried to tell me today that slowing down was an awful thing to do, but really isn't. And that's one more Chester down. We are steamrolling these guys. Come on, can we land some hits? We can. I think those all just nicked the island right there. Yeah, so we're gonna have to steam around this little abutment. We've lost 4 ships and they've lost 11. And they're down to their last man, which is that Hashidashi, or Hashidati. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. And I will get no piece of that action. That sweet, sweet booty. But for one of my first PvP matches, not too shabby. Got 35 hits, 2 critical, and 1 fire, and 1 kill. I'm happy with it. Is he running? He is running, somewhat. Those last shots of mine were pretty, but they didn't hit. Not bad. So 30,000 credits gained and 596 experience earned. And you just heard me report on my ribbons. So thanks for watching one of my first games in World Warships. Like and comment if you want to see more of this. And I will see you guys in the next one.